I want to show you a test job just to test the following scenario. We have a job. Let's use this test echo that is going to be using Jenkins agents to run. So we don't have any Jenkins agent at the moment. Show you that our Jenkins does not have any nodes. We only have the master, and we want to start a new job on a Jenkins node. So what happens right now is the Jenkins will start the job, start a new Jenkins agent, wait for it to come up, and then use that Jenkins agent to just run echo commands, sleep for 10 seconds, and another echo command using shell. Okay, so just to test the following Jenkins agent that we don't have at the moment. So let's run the test, build it now, and it's pending, waiting for the Jenkins node. So let's check our nodes. It didn't come up yet, so let's check our instances, and we see we have an instances initializing. That's Jenkins starting a Jenkins node automatically. So we'd probably take a minute or two, and here we go. We have Jenkins agent from the job running by itself. So we're gonna wait a few more minutes for it to come up online, and then Jenkins will be able to run the job, which is running the shell script. Okay, now the agent is alive, communicating. See everything is fine. Let's see what said. Agent will come offline. I think the job was finished. 1 second. Yes, the job was finished. That's why. Oh, it's still pending. Okay, let's launch. Okay, connected and online. Okay, now we see the job here that is running on that agent, and we can verify. So you can see here Jenkins agent 1. I think the job was done. Test echo free, successful. So now what happened is now that this node, this Jenkins agent is idle now because there is no job running, I set it up that after 10 minutes of idle time, it will just terminate itself. So that's what will happen to this Jenkins agent. And what we achieved here is a process of running jobs automatically on Jenkins agents that automatically will be created for us and will be terminated for us after the job is done. So we don't have to manage the Jenkins agents when we're working on the master, and the master takes care of all the jobs running on the agents and takes care of terminating the instances once it's done. So after 10 minutes, this agent will be automatically terminated, and we're only going to be using the Jenkins agent. So this is the scenario.